Welcome to the Learning Commons Time Management Skills Workshop. The Learning Commons is the central learning center on campus that provides free academic support for all UC students, including peer tutoring, group studying, individual support, and help in developing success skills like studying and time management. Whether in person or online, over 15,000 students use the Learning Commons services every year. For more information on what the Learning Commons offers, visit us at uc.edu/campuslife/learningcommons. This workshop will help you manage your schedule and create a plan to meet all your goals throughout the week. Time management is the ability to use your time effectively and productively. It requires you to set a goal, organize the time to work on the goal, and focus on completing it. The ability to do this can increase your productivity, reduce stress, improve self-esteem, achieve a sense of balance, and establish an important career skill. Learning how to manage your time will make every task in your day easier, not just completing your schoolwork. By creating goals, you set a direction and motivation to manage your time. Creating specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals will boost performance and self-confidence. Our brains can't tell the difference between what we want and what we already have, so setting a goal will give you the same positive emotions and drive to achieve it that you would get if the goal was already accomplished. Deciding on your priorities for specific periods of time will increase focus and productivity. You're also making decisions early in the process, which helps to relieve decision fatigue. Think of all the ways you spend your time in a 24-hour period. Classes, studying, sleep, work, hobbies, and socializing are a few examples of what can take up your day. The commitments that are immovable are high priority, such as work and classes. Medium priority commitments are consistent but flexible, like meals and study times. Low priority commitments are inconsistent and flexible, like time to spend on hobbies and socializing. Think of all your commitments and how they rank in your priorities. Then, create a weekly schedule to plan time blocks for each activity. In your schedule, write down all your immovable and high priority commitments first. With those down, you can then plan your consistent but flexible events around your first commitments. Any other activities throughout the week can be placed in the gaps still in your schedule. Procrastination is the act of postponing or delaying tasks until the last minute. It doesn't just happen because of poor time management. People can procrastinate because of distractions, perfectionism, lack of motivation, fear of failure, or feeling overwhelmed. To avoid procrastination, you have to overcome your reason behind procrastinating. Tapping into motivation means finding activities and planning strategies to stay focused and get stuff done. Personal enjoyment and satisfaction come from a different place for everyone, but finding what satisfies you will create more meaningful work. To help stimulate motivation, create a self-reward system. Small external rewards, like taking a piece of candy after reading a page of your textbook, or watching short videos as a study break, gives positive reinforcement to make you more likely to continue the behavior. This reward system should be personal to you to be most effective. After blocking off time to complete a task, you must work on focusing and getting the task done. Even minor distractions can be a big deal, since studies have shown that it takes 21 minutes on average to recover after being distracted from a task. Organize your workspace. Put your phone on Do Not Disturb, and take timed breaks to eliminate as many distractions as possible. To manage your time effectively, remember these tips. Create goals, prioritize tasks, establish a weekly schedule, and overcome procrastination by tapping into motivation, eliminating distractions, and creating a self-reward system. Utilizing these tips will make you a better student at the college level. If you'd like further support in and out of the classroom, schedule an appointment with any of our programs at the UC Learning Commons website. Or if you'd like to join our team of students that make this support possible, check out our student employment page to see the variety of positions we offer. To contact the Learning Commons, email us at learningcommons@uc.edu. Good luck with all of your goals.